Alright, so I got the piece of tube all fit up into the flange. I'm going to go ahead and weld it out, and then we'll be able to kind of fit it to our weld L's, and then probably tack that up so that we can set the turbo on there and get a much better idea of what we're going to be doing and how it's all going to come together. I'm going to go ahead and weld up this elbow to the final location on the manifold, and then finish weld the flange to the actual runner. All right, it's a couple days later. And I wanted to do a little side project while we were working on this 14. I like to do little stuff to keep me motivated. Plus, I like to copy other people's shit because I think some things are really cool. And I saw this dude had like this pimp cup on Instagram, and I want one. I'm gonna do mine a little different, but same basic concept. So let me show you what I'm working with here. So I got myself a really overkill 2.5 inch piece of Schedule 10 pipe. It's heavy. And then I have this plate from a while back that I wrote send, and then the other one said nudes on. But I'm going to use this as my base, and this is stainless, and this is stainless. And I'm going to weld it like that. And then I think it'd be really cool to have a wrench on the sides. I don't know what I'm going to use to connect the wrench to this. And then I'm going to drink beer out of it. Alright, so I got these bolts out of the aids bin. Over there. And they're like nice stainless, oh my god, focus, 12-point bolts. And I think they're going to give me a good spacing. I don't think I'm going to have the wrench turn flat like this against the tube. I'm probably going to turn it on its side and weld it to the edges. But yeah, I think the stainless hardware is going to give it a pretty good spacing off the cup, and it's stainless and should weld out pretty good.